Here first we have to go to the Google Colab, and then next we have to set up the environment and set up the dependencies in Colab environment such as Spark, Hadoop, Java 8, and here this is the code for that. And next we can now check the directory content for Java. So here we are checking the Java path. This is the code, and now we have installing the Spark and Java in Colab. Below is the code for this, and then now let's install the Python library for Spark. Pip install PySpark, and this is the new version 3.02. And then next, configuring a Spark session. Here there are main functions like Spark configuration, Spark context, builder, master, app name, get or create. Here I use the code from PySpark, import Spark context and Spark configuration. With this, I just setting up the Spark context and configuration. And next, we need to write a code to just drag the file from our local to the Google. So for this, I used the code google.colab, and then next I just taken the ICP text file and load it into the Google Colab, and we are reading the text file using the spark.text file ICP text file name, and we can hear just how many lines of data we have in our file by using just count function. And here by using here I have taken the take function. It will return the how many lines the user is requiring. So here I taken 2 lines, so it is giving 2 lines. And below I defined a function that will strip the white spaces and remove the punctuations, everything. By here I imported the string module. So and next below I call the above function in the flat map function. So it will split the lines. It will split the lines and it will make it the words. So we can count how many elements of words we get RDD. Here I use the count function. The output is 246. So I just taken the first 10 to just know that output is expected one or not, and deleting the elements which is numeric. So we need not to have numeric data, numeric elements. So I just remove using the filter. And here final, here below you can see before 246, now after filtering it was like 244. And I'm going to capitalize the first letter in all the words. So for this I use the capitalize function, and using map function all the keywords, all the words with key in a tuple format using lambda function. Here I just make it all the words in the tuple that started with the first letter keyword. And below I use the distinct function to make all the words unique. So after this, when I count all the element, it was like 149. Below it was like, before it was like 244. So we can use reduce by function here to store all the words starting with same letter in a single line. So I use the below reduce by function. After that, I use a take function to just look up the expected output reached or not. So this is the below output. Next, I just sorted the RDD using the sort by function by giving the parameter as false to become a descending order output. So you can see the output here, and this is the final output I have written. And here to save the file in the Google Colab, and we can download it from the local, download to the local. For this I use it to I use it function was save as text file. So after running this file, the output is saved into ICP1 output. So you can see here output. This is the final output we receive.